So students, here is an example, an axis example. Okay, here what we are doing, we are considering two packages and five different classes. Okay, two different packages and two packages and five different classes we are considering, including parent, child and all, or base class and derived class as well. Remember that these classes for two different packages need to be stored in directories named after their respective package. In this case, please remember, we are going to consider the class module inside the package, so you need to use the keyword package followed by or name of the package. It can be, here we are using mentioning them as p1 and p2. So the source for the first package defines three classes. So okay, the source for the first package we are considering protection, that is inside p1 we are considering three different classes: protection, derived as well as the same package. This is for your understanding purpose. Okay, later I am going to consider the program. That program will be having this kind of class names. Okay, inside p1 the first class defines four integer variables in each of the legal protection modes, that is private, public, protected as well as default. The variable n, this I am going to explain along with the program only. This is for your reference purpose. You please refer to the page number 100 and the same page 187. So far we have discussed about the access specifiers, no, for four categories. The same page continuation, please refer to that. Okay, I'll begin with the program. I told you earlier, the package p1 which contains three classes. What are those? Protection, derived as well as same package. So the first class module we are considering protection.java. You need to store the file with the name. See this file, it is clearly given. Go through the page number 188. Okay, hope it is visible in the video. If not visible, refer to page 188 of the standard textbook. You need to consider them inside the this particular thing inside the package. So package p1 is to be mentioned first. Name of the class is protection. It has got four members in it. What are those? Int n equal to 1. Say there is no access specifier specified, so this is what called as default member, right? Or node specifier. This has got a private specifier, that is n underscore pri. Protected int n underscore pro, then which is equal to 3. Public int n underscore pub, which is equal to 4. For all the four different types of what variables are declared. Then go for the this one. Say we are considering the, check here, we are considering the constructor, isn't it? Protection is the name of the class, protection is the name of the method here given, constructor. Please remember, constructor will not be having any return type, but we made it as, since it's a function, we have used for the function, this particular function, we have specified the access specifier. That's it. It is not a return value, it is just an access specifier. So this constructor can be accessed from anywhere since it is public. Inside the constructor we are going to print the values. So n is obviously it is default member, it is accessible only. N pri, that is private n, is also accessible because the protection is also a part, the constructor is a part of the same class, right? Then n protected is also accessible and public is also accessible. We are going to print them. Fine. Sorry. Yeah. So the next file is derived.java under the same package. Check here. As I told you earlier, we are going to consider three different classes, right? Same package is the another one. First is the protection, then derived. Later we will be considering same package. Fine. Derived.java is the file name under same package, package p1. Okay, under package p1 it is to be mentioned which package and under which package you are going to consider this module to be specified. Please remember, we are considering the concept of inheritance. Okay, under the same package. This you need to analyze, right? What does extend stands for? Please remember, it is the continuation of the previous module. Okay, if you miss the link, if you have not studied the previous concept, definitely you are not going to learn any of the new topics from module 4th. So this is the continuation. See, module 3 is the continuation of the second module is the continuation of the first module. Please try to understand this. In the first module we are studying the basic concepts with respect to C++. Then we have continued that, and immediately we have started with the Java, right? With the Java we have started in module 2. Then we have continued that with respect to module 3, those constructor topic and inheritance concepts and all we have studied in module 3. If you fail to understand those concepts, then definitely you are not going to understand the fourth one also. Watch the videos repeatedly. I told you earlier also to note down the contents, whatever the contents where I am going to explain here, right? In the video you are supposed to note it down in your notebook. Getting no? So what we are considering here, just analyze. Under the same package P1 you are going to consider the concept of inheritance. How? See, because of the keyword extends, this class name derived, this is the subclass of superclass protection. This clearly tells, right? Then its constructor. So you need to apply the concept of inheritance can, what are the members can be derived. So what are the pipe? Of course public member is derived. Private member cannot be inherited, protected member can be inherited, default member can be inherited. That is what you have mentioned in this chart. Please try to understand the chart. Okay, this the same concept you are going to say. Same package subclass, that is what we are going to discuss. Okay, please analyze the concepts, you will understand. Fine, constructor it has got, then you are printing it separately. Okay, just go through the program once. Then one more module we are writing, that is a sample package. It has got a constructor under the same package. Okay, P1. Okay, just go through it. Some of the members again you are trying to access from here. Please remember, sample package is not a subclass. It is not a subclass, but it is a class under the same package. Why it is not a subclass? Say, it is not extending the parent, it is not extending from any of the class. You have not used the keyword extends. So with respect to package P1, the 3 class modules what you have considered, what are those 3? Check here. First is what? Protection. This is what? Parent class for derived, right? Protection and derived has got parent child relationship. Apart from that, we have same package is the class name itself. This is neither a parent nor a child for any of the class. So there is no hierarchy or relationship with respect to the other 2 classes, but there is a relationship because it is included inside the same package. So which concept it relates to? Check here. Check the same package non subclass category number 2. Please note it down. Okay, fine. Now your job is what? Consider this as assignment. Protection 2.java is the what we are doing. Another package we are creating. Just refer to page number 189 and refer to the contents 189 and 190. Package P2 we are considering. Okay, go through the description once again, watch the videos repeatedly, note down its contents. If you have any doubt, you ask. Thank you for watching. Let's continue our discussion in the next video.